Atomic Ivy Source, video 529, Fractal Game Engine, Brush Thingy-mabobber, oh fuck, I forget, F. MMORPG Game Engine, Fractal Brush, Part F. Okay, let's get into it, because we're going to run out of time. So we're going to look at all the 529 deltas, that's what we're doing here. So in the system index, we have added tile fed right beneath tile boy. Tile fed is a stateful version of tile boy, and we're going to need tile fed so that we can get emergent behavior when the editor is mixing and matching different settings. In the monkey wrench macros section, we have some disallowed variable names. In the const macros by system, we added this tag to find the top of the section easier. And then here is the tile fed constant section. There's nothing here yet. In data by system, we also added this void sys tag to find the top of this section. And there is no data yet for the tile fed top level globals. Down here in the tile boy function section, we've added this little special flag to let us know that conceptually the tile boy functions have been included. That's all we did in here, but in tile fed, we've stubbed in this system. So we have some monkey wrench macros here for disallowed function names. We have the include tag for tile fed, and then we have this little check here to make sure that the tile boy functions are included before the tile fed function, so enforcing a dependency order. Okay, so below here we have the editor put functions that do not take any arguments. It's all stateful. We'll write the code in the different video. Editor get functions that are all stateful. They don't take any arguments. We'll write the body in a different video. Below here we have the get and put functions for the game. When any game is behaving as a game, these are the get put functions we're going to use. So this is the game put. It also takes no arguments because it's stateful. We'll do this code maybe 2 years from now. And this is the game get. So get a tile when we're in game mode. And there is no arguments for it, and we'll write the body in like a year from now. So that's the end of the tile fed section. We know this is the end because this is right justified rather than left justified. Down here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go to this video playlist here because we don't have enough time here. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Koda working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game with directional blasting proximity mines. Like and subscribe.